Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install Debian 11.04. That is Debian 11 Bullseye installation on VirtualBox 6.1 with guest edition. So I am creating one new virtual machine for Debian 11. Going to allocate around 8 GB of RAM. And dynamically allocated hard disk of 40 GB. Okay, go to settings. So in system, motherboard, unchecking floppy, boot order optical device is the first one to boot, and pointing device will be USB tablet. Processor I am selecting 4 core. Storage I am selecting Debian 11.4 DVD ISO file. So it's a first DVD. So this I have downloaded from Debian website, Debian 11.4 Bullseye. So network, I am not going to download anything from internet, so I am going for host only adapter. Okay, rest of the things remain unchanged. Okay, let us start Debian 11 Bullseye installation on VirtualBox 6.1. Make sure that you have latest VirtualBox. So here I am using VirtualBox 6.1.36. Okay, this is a boot menu. So I am going for graphical install. Select graphical install. Okay, installation screen has arrived. Select your language. So English will be the default language, and choose your location and keyboard also. Yes, select the S button for configure the network. So select no for configure the network. Select S for so provide host name. So provide the root password. Provide the username for login. Provide the password for that user. Use the entire disk. Continue. All files in one partition. Continue. Finish partitioning and write changes to disk. Select yes. Continue. select no, select no. Okay, so here software selection, I am selecting SSH and web server additionally. So rest of them remain same. Install the grub bootloader, select yes, select the hard disk. So you can see Debian 11.4 installation is completed successfully. So I have restarted the virtual machine. Okay, this is the welcome screen. Okay, click the activities, go to show applications, settings. So I am unable to see the settings. Just type settings, yeah. Okay, in left you can see a lot of settings are available. So I am selecting display. Select your screen resolution accordingly. So now what I am going to do, I am going to mount the Debian 11.4 DVD ISO file for installing dependent packages for VirtualBox guest edition. So this is the DVD ISO file. So I am going to install some packages required for. So open the terminal, log in as a root user, run the command apt install -y build essential space linux -headers dollar uname or close the bracket. So this will install the required packages for VirtualBox guest edition. So all these packages are available in DVD itself, no need to connect the internet. So that is the main thing you need to remember here. So all these are the packages are downloaded from DVD, not from internet. So mounting the Debian 11.4 DVD is enough for installing the VirtualBox dependencies. Okay. So now I am unmounting the Debian 11.4 DVD. So I am going to insert a VirtualBox guest edition CD image. So VirtualBox guest edition CD image is inserted. So what I am going to do, I am going to copy these installation files to separate directory. From there I am going to install. So give permission for the installation files. Login as a root user. Only root user can install the guest edition. dot slash vbox linux edition run. Okay, so guest edition is installed successfully. So you can ignore that message, kernel address not found. You can ignore that. So I didn't see any other errors. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to power off this Debian 11.4 VM. So after rebooting, your screen resolution should adjust automatically. So I can see full screen is coming. Let me open the terminal. So I'm typing some command here. So I'm going to copy paste this command. Okay, I am going to copy paste this command to Windows host machine to check shared clipboard feature is working or not. So make sure that you have enabled shared clipboard and drag and drop in VirtualBox, which is not shown in the video. Okay, I can able to copy paste the output from Debian 11.4 terminal to Windows host. So next I am typing some sentence in Windows host machine and try to copy paste to Debian 11.4. Paste it. Yes, I can able to paste from Windows host machine to Debian 11.4 virtual machine. So make sure that you are updated to latest VirtualBox, and make sure that you have enabled shared clipboard and drag and drop feature, which is not shown. Debian 11.4 installation is successful.